Bonjour, the French Master GH here. Thanks for always watching my videos, liking them and sharing them. In today's video, we are going to learn how to say what you like in French. How to say what you like in French. For instance, you want to say, I like eating banku, or I like playing football. How do you say those things in French? Are you ready? If you are ready, let's get started. To say what you like in French, you say j'aime, 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 j'aime. J'aime means I like, I like. So let's make a sentence or form a sentence with j'aime, I like. So if I want to say I like eating banku, I'll say j'aime manger banku. J'aime manger banku. If I like playing football, I'll say j'aime jouer au football. J'aime jouer au football. I like playing football. If I want to say I like going to the cinema, j'aime visiter le cinéma. J'aime visiter le cinéma. I can also form numerous sentences with what I like in French, just using j'aime. So I'm giving you a second to say j'aime. J'aime. Okay, I guess you just said j'aime. Another way to use j'aime or I like in French is je préfère. Je préfère. Je préfère. That means I prefer. To prefer something means you like the thing. I hope you get me right. So you can also use je préfère where you use j'aime. So if you feel like using je préfère, you can use je préfère. You can use j'aime. Okay, let's form a sentence with je préfère. Je préfère jouer au football. Je préfère manger banku. Je préfère manger foufou. So let me give you a second to say je préfère. Okay, so je préfère. Okay, I guess you just said je préfère, which is good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Merci beaucoup. In this video, we learned how to say what you like in French. And we said to say what you like in French, you say j'aime. J'aime. J'aime means I like. We've made sentences or we form sentences. For instance, j'aime manger banku. I like eating banku. Another way to say it is je préfère. Je préfère. Je préfère means I prefer. To say you prefer something means you like it. So, for instance, je préfère jouer au football. I prefer playing football. Okay, so kindly share this video, like my Facebook page, share the page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can visit my website, thefrenchmastergh.com, to learn more written French lessons and watch some of my videos, as well as get access to other lessons. So now is au revoir. Bonjour, je m'appelle Elvis Fiati. My name is Elvis Fiati. I'm a French teacher and the owner of the FrenchMasterGH.com. From Monday to Friday, every 8 p.m., I'll be teaching you French on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook page. Follow me on Facebook at the French Master GH, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn French the easy way. Here, I teach you French based on what you already know in English. If you are ready, let's get started and learn French the easy way. Log on to the FrenchMasterGH.com to learn French the easy way. When you go to the FrenchMasterGH.com, you can read lessons. I have written lessons on the website, tons of them that you can read and practice on your own. If you are a French teacher, there is a tab or button there that is called Teaching Guides. Just click there. You have access to French lesson notes, lesson plans, scheme of works, and any teaching aid that will help you teach French the easy way in the classroom. Okay, for now we say Au revoir and catch me live every 8 p.m.